Kicks out. Bounce pass. Spins. Pass in the middle. Oy! Short. Torres. Offensive. No good.
No good.
Oh! And the putback by Molina. Butakan.
Attack.
Pinamekos. Basket and one. It's Torres. Virtual attacks. Nalibre sa loob. Pull up. Floater is good. Pass to the middle.
Oop.
Oh! What a move by Baluba! Raise up. Alinan. Number 2. Oh! Pinabitin na! Oh! Okay. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa championship ng secondary men's division Cabraa 2024 para sa laban ng Tuguegarao at Cagayan. And here you go, jump ball mga idol. And first ball possession for team Cagayan. Cordero, Sosa, pass back Cordero, launch 3. No good. Battle for rebound, makukuha dito ni Padilla. And pass to number 8, Butakan. Butakan, setting the play. Butakan, di diskarte. Atake. Kicks out, launch 3, bang! And here's Sosa for crossing the mid lane, corner, pass back, Sosa, attacks, side step, floater, Butatang inabot, Kalubakib, pass inside, kick out, Butakan, pass inside, oh, the connection! Cagayan, pare, baba ang bola. And 5-2 natin score natin. Cordero, pass back to Sosa. Sosa holding the ball. Di diskarte. Bounce pass. Pass back Sosa. Fakes. Stop. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Matatapikan ng bola. Pass break to Kalubakib. Kalubakib. Easy basket. For crossing the mid lane. Pass back Sosa. Corner 3. No good. Rebound. Alinan. Number 10, pass inside, spins. Oh! Butata. And here's Cordero for the inbound, looking for receiver. Pass in the middle, muntik ng magawan. Sosa, launch 3. No good. Oh, and the putback by... And it's number 2. Number 2, attacks. Butata, binawian mga idol. Launch 3. Air ball. And Sosa, Cordero, Sosa, kicks out, launch 3, no good. And here's Kalubakib, binit-bit, lays up, and basket is good. Sosa, Cordero, Sosa, attacks, Sosa, side step, uy, butata si Sosa, Kalubakib, oop. And Butakan for the inbound. Bounce pass. Maagawad dito. And pass break. Nauna sa Alinan. Lays up. Uy, basket is easy. Kalubakib. Lays up. Uy, basket for 2. Cordero, Sosa. Launch 3, Alinan. No good. And his Butakan. Well, basket is good. Technical daw.
Palabasin mo.
And here you go, pass back. Bounce pass. Alinan on the middle, fires. No good. Here's number 8, Butakan. Kicks out. Kalubakib, bumasinta sa 3. Bang! And here's Cordero, umatake. And here's Balubal on the corner. Balubal, attacks. Kaldag, spins. Traveling. And here's Sosa. Pass to number 15, Cordero, launch 3. Bang! Bulls up! Butakan, attack. Pinamekos, basket and one. Taban. Butakan, lays up, no good. Rebound. Pass break ngayon. Oop. Lays up. Basket is good. Cordero. Pull up J. Foul! Basket! And that's the end of the atake. Gandang pass. Anon? Libreng-libre. Cordero to Sosa. Alinan to Sosa.
Second quarter tayo sa kanila.
Alinan. Cordero. Nakalusot. No good. Rebound. Pinasa. Leza po. Pinaganda. The finish by Baluba. Torres. Number 12. Attacks. Nalibre sa loob. Pull up. Floater is good. Ataban. Up. Crossover. Nakalusot. No good. Put back. Bakiran is Torres. Fire. Basket is good. That's Torres. And it's Torres. Torres. Atake. Oop. Naagawan mga idol. Bakiran. Stops. Pass to the middle. Oop. Oh! What a move by Balu. Here's Rivera. Rivera. Pass inside. Napulot. Reverse layup by Alinan. Nataban. Pass to Bakiran. Launch 3. No good. And here's Rivera. Fires. Basket is good. Kailangan ng team together mga idol. And here's Butakan. Bounce pass. Ataban. Kicks out. Butakan. Attacks, Butakan. Side step, lays up. Basket is good. Butaks. Rivera. Pass back, Rivera. Oop. Nakuha ni number. Istakad. Launch 3. No good. Oop. 2-on-1 mang laban. Bounce pass. Kalubake. BC basket. Rivera. Rivera. Attacks the middle. Atake sa Alinan. Basket and one. And here's Butakan. And number 8 attacks. Kicks out. Bounce pass. Spins. Pass in the middle. Oy, short. Sosa. Oop, spins. Plays. Oh, basket is good. And here's Sosa. Pass inside the alley. Pass and the finish by Ali. Ito ang kalamangan mga idol. Oh, Balubal. And that's the end of the second quarter. And here's Butakan. Butakan, bounce pass. Matatapikan dito. Mare-recover. And still Butakan. Attacks. Oh! Oh! Beautiful! Pass back, Sosa. Pass back, Sosa. Launch 3. No good. Butakan. Launch 3. No good. Basket is good. Padilla. And here's Ataban. To Butakan. Butakan. Attacks, pull up J. No good. Rebound. Basket and one. And here's Alinan. Sosa. Sosa. Fix. Alinan. Pull up J. Strong. Sosa. Attack, spin. No good. Oops. Rebound, Bakiran. Butakan. To Bakiran. Pass inside, alley-oop, pass. And the finish. Cordero, pass to Alinan. Alinan. Cordero. Cordero. For the inbound.
For in a few moments,
Fires. No good.
thank you so much. To the tournament manager, please submit now the results, medals, and certificates to the
Butakan, nakalusot. Good for 2. Fires. Wala.
Ito ay nagpagigarap. Tumatak ko na naman.
Kalubakib. Basket is good. Sosa.
Pinapahirapan sa taban.
Sosa.
Sosa pa rin. Tutakad.
Pass inside. Fires. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin.
Jump ball.
gentlemen.
Automatic substitution.
Welcome.
At taban. Padilla.
Padilla launch 3.
Wala. Torres ngayon, tumatakbo. Ikot-ikot. Tayo. Padilla.
Easy basket. Kalubakib. Torres. Attack.
For the basket.
And for the inbound. Molina. Torres. Bumangga. Offensive. No bas. On the corner 3.
The champion.
No
For
good.
the gold medalist. For
Fast break
the
na yun.
basketball 3x3
Cordero.
San Girls. From Vieslo Quirino.
Number 2. Pinabitin na. Okay. Cordero.
Princess Joy B.
Torres. 8.
Their coach,
Attack.
Odlin.
5. 2. Torres. 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 Attack. Natapikan. Sosa. Torres.
The most valuable player for the basketball
Managawan.
secondary girls
Pass break. Kalubakib. Bounce pass. Reverse layup. At taban. That's the end of. And here's Cordero. Pass inside. Alinan. Ang gandang pasa nun. 56-55 score natin
The
mga idol.
most valuable player in the basketball 3x3 secondary girls
Taban.
from SDO Quirino, Bianca Faith, and Bakti.
For 3. Bang! Kalubak!
Once again, our most valuable player in the basketball 3x3
Alinan.
secondary girls, Bianca Faith,
Lays up.
and Bakti.
Alinan.
SDO Quirino.
Kalubakib.
The play. Taban.
Taban. Bounce pass. Corner.
Presenting the medals.
Six.
Certificates for this event to win.
Taban attack. Side step.
Or
Plays.
representing
In and out.
SDO Sacales.
Cordero.
Kaya and
Cordero par. Good for 2. And here's Butakan. Attack.
Slicing.
No good.
and silver medalist
Ngayon ang again.
from
Cordero.
the division of Huelva, this
7 minutes.
Jeremy
7 minutes left. Bakiran.
and Camargo and Franz.
Kicks out. Fire.
Yeah.
Basket is good. Padilla. Bakiran. Launch 2. Bullseye! Oops, sinundan niya, idol. Pasok yan.
Si Torres. Iskil na naman. Ito na naman ang tumigiraw. Butakan. Tumatakbo. Bakiran.
Oy!
Lock. Six. Tekos.
Oh, Bakiran. Kumalda. Butakan.
Butakan.
Oy! Oy!
Then, secure. Bakiran.
Bang!
Mango, Team Bungkong Junior. Gabriel Lubutak, Lance Dexter, Ian Caballero, Julian Sean, and Palawakan.
53 seconds.
Juno, Team FD, John J. M. J. Ward.
Congratulations, team. Tuguegarao, advance to Cebu. Palarong pambansa.